Jeff Booth is standing by. What's the stretch looking like here? Because we had such a nice one heading into the weekend. Is this hot weather here to stay, Jeff?
For a little bit, yeah. We definitely had a nice taste of fall. Now it's going to be back to summer, but we are going to be dealing with temperatures that'll cool off just a little bit by the time we get to the middle of the week. Still, though, it looks like they'll be right around, if not a little bit above average. So lots of water today. Remember that, water first for thirst. Ice water, maybe some of those sports beverages. Stay away from the adult beverages. Those do not hydrate you. They may refresh you, but they don't hydrate you. But outside, we can see downtown Columbus looking pretty nice as we jump out and take a look at the city. We've dropped a degree down to 69 here in town, 66 in Marysville. We're in the mid to upper 60s and low 70s across the area. But as we head through the next 12 hours, we'll still see maybe a degree or so fall on that. But then we're back up to 75. Pretty quickly, we warm up this afternoon. 81 at lunchtime, 86 at 2. We'll end up with a high of 89. And that high of 89, well, that's going to feel a little warmer than that once you factor the heat and the humidity together. By 6 o'clock, we're down into the mid-80s. Here's kind of what it feels like, though. Again, with the humidity, it will feel a little warmer. You can see as we get into the afternoon, we start to get those heat index values in the mid and the upper 80s, topping out in the low 90s in spots. And I'm not going to rule out an area here or there that actually hits 90, but again, if you don't get there, it'll feel close to that thanks to the heat and the humidity factored in together. So outside, we can take a look out at the satellite and the radar imagery. Some clouds up to the north, clouds down to the south. Not too bad here. Have some starlight out there right now. It looks like summer's not done yet. I mean, technically it's not anyway. The calendar does not have it over yet, but we are definitely going to feel like summer over the next couple of days. Highs near 90 today and tomorrow. Rain arrives by Wednesday. That'll knock down the temperature just a little bit into the low to mid 80s instead of the upper 80s to right around 90. So that'll feel a little better, but I will tell you that AC will likely be working at least in the afternoons throughout the week. So we're up to about 71 by 9 o'clock. A couple of clouds start to fill in here or there. We'll call it sunny to partly cloudy today with temperatures up to about 81 by noon. We top out at right around 89. Again, feeling a little warmer than that once you factor the heat and the humidity together. And then this evening, we're going to slide back through the 80s into the low 80s as you're maybe sitting outside to have dinner. You can have dinner on the patio, just a little warm. Going to be a mild one tonight. Few clouds passing by here and there. Clear to partly cloudy down to 67. Tomorrow, we're back up to 88. Hot once again. We've got some late day clouds, some higher clouds working in throughout the second half of the afternoon. That's out ahead of our next weather maker. But right now, today, you can see sunshine through the morning hours. A few passing clouds as you move on up into northern portions of the state. We get a little break actually in some of the clouds tomorrow morning. They start to fill back in, though, as we head through the second half of the day and into the evening and overnight, because this guy right here, some showers, some storms, possible early Wednesday morning. Here we have 7 o'clock, maybe a scattered shower here or there. These kind of redevelop into the afternoon. And we can't rule out an isolated storm with some strong winds as we get on into Wednesday afternoon. Up near 90 today, tomorrow with sunny to partly cloudy skies, also a little muggy. Then on Wednesday, really Tuesday night into Wednesday, some showers, some storms off and on through the day on Wednesday. Temperatures low 80s on Wednesday and Thursday, back into the mid 80s Friday into the weekend. So it's definitely going to feel a bit like summer as we round out this week and get into next weekend. And you can see we don't have a whole lot of relief as we round out the end of Central Ohio's only 10-day forecast.